Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you all how I do this look I posted on Instagram. So the uniqueness about this look is that the rhinestones, or should I call it the glitter stones on the eyes, this rhinestone makeup look resembles the soft white snow according to me. The warm colors blending in with the small flecks of, glitter is just so soft and perfect, which is why I think this look is perfect for the end of the year. So yeah, let's get into this makeup. Okay, so I'm starting off with primer and I've been using this product for quite a while now. So regarding this product, I'll drop like a small video about my thoughts on this, so you all can see how it worked for me. So yeah, basically right now I'm just smearing this primer all over my face. And now for color correction, I'm going into this orange color corrector and I'm just gonna color correct my face like I do in every video of mine. I'm also using like a blending sponge to blend all of this in, making sure not to blend it too much, so otherwise there's no point of putting the color corrector on it. So for foundation, I've gone with my favorite foundation at the moment. This foundation is just perfect for oily skin, as it keeps your skin hydrated and keeps the oil at bay, giving a nice matte finish. It also has great coverage, so I recommend it to all the people with acne scars as well. People with dry skin might find this a little bit too drying, but I think moisturizing nicely will take away this issue. Now to brighten and cover any dark circles and blemishes with concealer. I tend to always use a tint for blush and I'm using this water lip tint today. Applying a thin layer of this to achieve a more natural skin look. Now to set my makeup in place, I'm going in with a loose translucent powder first. Now I'm going in with a pressed powder and buffing that into my skin. I'm applying a powder blush on top of the liquid blush. Since I applied a tint underneath, I'm applying a powder blush to top it off. By using two types, you can add extra dimension to your entire blush. Now I'm going to contour my features with this neutral brown shade. I drew my eyebrows according to their natural shape. I'm using this eyeshadow palette for my eyes now, making sure to add this shade to my entire eyelid. I'm using the concealer I used before to cut my crease. Since I have hooded eyes, I cut the crease above my natural lash line. This just ensures that it's visible even with my eyes open. Now I'm going in with this champagne eyeshadow shade and I'm setting the concealer with it. Now for my lower lash line, I'm going in with that same previous brown shade that I used on the entire eyelid. I'm using a black liquid eyeliner. I'm lining the entire lash line, and once that's lined, then I'm winging it upward and creating a subtle wing, as you can see, crisping up the edges. Also winging out my inner corners. Now I'm going in with a brown liner, using that brown liner to line my lower lash line. Now to line the waterline, I've taken a dark brown eyeliner pencil to do this job. Now it's time for the highlight of this look, the rhinestones, or some call it the glitter stones. You'll be able to find these easily online or in any beauty store. It looks aesthetically prettier when you use small glitter stones along with the big ones to give it more dimension. Now I'm going to curl my eyelashes and apply some mascara. For mascara, I'm using a black waterproof mascara, and then I'm gonna apply some false eyelashes as well. Now to highlight my features, I'm just applying some champagne highlighter to the highest points of my face. Now for the lips, I'm using a couple of products. First, I'm applying this lip tint all over the lips and smudging it. Then I'm going into this brown lip liner. As you can see, this lip liner is basically an eyebrow pencil, but I feel this works great as a lip liner. And with this shade, I'm just outlining the lips. Now I'm going back in with this orange lip liner and lining my lips completely. Next, I'm applying a warm pinkish orange lipstick to the entire lips and smudging it. Now for the final step, to add some more glitter, I'm going in with this bronze glitter lip gloss on the center of my lips. And now your makeup's complete.